Cardano is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, yesterday before the meeting, we had a absolutely beautiful liquidity grab move going all the way up to around the 41 cents before we finally saw that move to the downside. We did break below that support level, but we are now right back into that support level, so this does count as a fake out situation. We want to be very, very careful before we enter any sort of short positions as of right now. Ideally, the bears had the opportunity to break that 39-cent support level and continue pushing lower if we were looking at it from a bar perspective, but this doesn't mean that the bar formation is absolutely done just yet. I'll go ahead and explain it to you guys in a minute, but as you guys can see, there are two possible scenarios. Number one, of course, is the fact that if we do have this left shoulder and head and shoulder pattern forming, we will be forming a right shoulder and possibly looking to retest around that 41 cents before we see the move to the downside. Now, scenario B, of course, is the fact that if we do see that move set and we see a break above that 41 cents and start to find its consolidation, that would invalidate the head and shoulder pattern, and that continuation to the upside would definitely be there. Scenario C, of course, is the fact that if we do have a bar formation, then that leans towards scenario A for the bearish perspective, right? Ideally, I am looking for more shorting opportunities on Cardano than I am looking for long opportunities. The reason for that is you can see on the 4-hour, we are still in that bar formation. So if we do see a move to the upside right here around that 41 cents and we start to act as resistance, that would also be the head and shoulder pattern, but that will also validate the fact that the bar formation could definitely play out and we retest the lows around 33 cents. You guys know I've been short all the way from up here to around the 46 cent where we saw that resistance and that consolidation before finally breaking down. And I mentioned this to you guys many videos ago. The fact that when you see a break of that support level and then it consolidate as resistance, that confirms a waterfall effect to the downside. Right now we are seeing the same sort of formation, right? We are seeing the same sort of resistance happen. This could just be seen as a massive pullback opportunity because of the fact that we were in extreme oversold conditions. We play this as a pullback and then a continuation to the downside. Of course, this range is going to become extremely choppy because of the volatility that we had with the news, but just keep that in mind, guys. Just because we had a little bit of a pullback doesn't mean that this is necessarily the bottom. We can definitely go much lower. On the lower time frames, we are a little bit more bullish, of course, because of the fact that we are above the support level now and are using the exponentials as well as support. So I want to see whether or not we can actually retest that 41 cents and actually break that level or start to consolidate and trade below that level. If that is the case, of course, we will be entering those shorting positions, but if we have a nice clean break, we want to wait for that confirmation and then enter the long positions. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.